Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal money holds. PayPal often places temporary holds on funds for various reasons, primarily to ensure secure transactions for both buyers and sellers. These holds are a protective measure, especially for new sellers or those with less established selling histories. Typically, funds might be held for up to 21 days, but there are several proactive steps you can take to expedite their release and manage your account effectively. To get your funds released faster, the most effective method is to provide tracking information for physical goods. Once the tracking shows delivery, PayPal can often release the funds within 24 hours. For services or intangible items, mark the order as shipped or service completed within the transaction details. Additionally, encourage your buyer to confirm receipt of the item or service directly through their PayPal account, which can also significantly speed up the process. Building a strong selling history is crucial for avoiding future holds. Consistently provide excellent customer service and receive positive feedback from your buyers. Promptly address and resolve any disputes or claims that may arise, demonstrating your reliability. Furthermore, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified with all necessary information, including bank accounts and identity details. A well-maintained and verified account signals trustworthiness to PayPal, reducing the likelihood of holds. If you followed these steps and your funds are still on hold, or if you have a unique situation, contacting PayPal customer service is your next best option. Be prepared to provide all relevant transaction details, including tracking numbers and any communication with the buyer. They can review your specific case and may be able to offer further assistance or even an early release of funds if your account and transaction meet certain criteria. Direct communication is key for complex issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.